In this video, we will be showing how to prune the indeterminate tomato plant variety. Before we get into pruning, it is important to mention that there are two types of tomato plants. The first type is the determinate tomatoes, also known as bush tomatoes, and they grow to about 4 feet tall. Crop bearing is over the course of the 4 to 5 weeks and then it is done. The second type is the indeterminate tomatoes, often called vining tomatoes, since they will continue to flower and bear fruits over the course of the season until the plant is killed by frost. It is easy to identify the tomato plant type by checking the tag. Most plant tags that come with the tomato plant states if it is a determinate or an indeterminate variety. We recommend only pruning the indeterminate tomato plant. First of all, what is pruning? Pruning tomato plants involves removing excess side branches, also known as suckers. The main reason to prune tomato plant is to help the plant direct its energy towards producing fruits rather than producing leaves and foliage. Pruning not only produces large fruits early in the season but also protects the plants against pests and disease problems. The tomato plant structure is as follows: the main stem with 2 to 3 true leaves followed by flower clusters, and this pattern repeats along the main stem. So here you see along the main stem you see 2 leaves followed by a flower cluster followed by 2 more leaves and then a flower cluster, and this pattern repeats. Suckers are branches that are formed in the leaf axil, the junction between the true leaves and the main stem. So to prune the plant, identify the main stem of the plant and locate any suckers along. Remove the suckers by pinching them close to the stem using your thumb and index finger or using a scissors or hand pruners. If using a pruner, decontaminate the pruner by treating them with rubbing alcohol. Decontamination will help prevent the spread of disease-causing fungi, bacteria, and viruses. Start pruning when the first tomato flowers are open and continue pruning as needed every few days. You have the option to decide if you want to keep one main growing stem or more. Most tomato growers allow plants to develop 2 to 3 growing stems. Pruning keeps the huge vines in control and it encourages the plant to produce several large tomatoes instead of a lot of leaves and many small tomatoes. To fit more plants into a small space, prune the indeterminate tomato plant regularly and use trellising or staking. The indeterminate plants will keep growing taller and you'll keep getting fruits as long as the plant is growing. Hope this video was helpful and happy gardening!